Hey guys, welcome to the Hamster channel, and in today's topic, or what we're gonna do today, is how to turn a mobile phone as a free cloud storage. And yeah, it's at home and it's for free. So and I would like to I want to do this because all the family members can access their files from everywhere, and I can use this to save any file format, including movies, pictures, and documents, and so on. So I'm gonna show you guys the tools you will be needing for this. So first, you would just need a old mobile phone. It can be any phone, and this phone is just a 32 GB phone. So yeah, and you will need a memory card, a small memory card, and it's 8 GB flash memory card. And yeah, and then the app we're gonna be using is called FTP server from Google Play, and you can find similar apps on App Store too. So and so the reason I like this app because I can set up multiple users and access their files, and every user can have their own username and password to it. So let's move on to the first step. So now I'm gonna show you where to download it, and I have put the memory card inside the phone. So there you go, and we're gonna go to the Play Store. So first, I'm already at the same, but you're gonna Google up FTP server Android, and then you should scroll down and you should see this FTP server and multiple FTP server users. This one, okay, and we're gonna install it. So it's done installing now. I'm just gonna press open, and we're gonna allow. And we're gonna see if it loads in. Okay, so here's the address right here. Right here's the address and stuff. We don't need to care about that. But so we're gonna go to users, and then you're gonna add a new person or something. So you're gonna create a new user, and I'm gonna name it Hamster for full name, and username to log in is gonna be 1 because of my laziness, and the password is going to be 123. So I'm gonna press this add new, and then you're gonna find the thing. I'm gonna go to use SD card, sorry, and I'm gonna press YouTube, and I'm gonna select this like that, and then we're gonna press the check mark right there, and thanks, and see, you should get it right here. And then I'm gonna go to home, and you're gonna press start, and then your address should be here, FTP user 192.168.0.167, yeah, and 2121. So that's the thing. And then the next step, I'm gonna show you guys doing this on another phone. So now this is on another phone now, and I've downloaded this app called File Management, and I'm just gonna press it. So we're gonna go to remote, and we're gonna press add a remote location and FTP, and you should be able to the address from the other phone. You should be able to press get into it yeah. So we're gonna enter the address. So it's 192.168.0.167. So that's that address, and the port is just I don't know if you guys remember, but the port is 2121. So we're gonna add another 21 there, and then the username should be just 1, and then the password is just 123, and we're gonna press OK, and see all the file here. This is file, all the files, and my videos are here, and you should be able to see it. See, for example, I'm gonna press 1. That's one of my videos. And oh, it's just loading a little bit slow. Oh, see, now it's playing, and you can see me right there. Yeah, this is just, we're just gonna go back, and yeah, you can just like go back like this, and then you would just see it. So yeah, then I'm gonna show you guys how to use it to connect it to the computer. So let's go. So this is the last step to do, and is doing it on your computer. Like connect to the first cell phone and see the files. So first we're gonna go to like the files area or file explorer here, and then you're gonna right click. So we're gonna right click it, and we're gonna follow this. Make sure you follow the steps carefully. We're gonna press add a network location, and we're gonna press next, and we're gonna choose a custom network location. Next, and we're gonna enter it. Make sure to enter it like this. You're gonna press FTP, and you're gonna press that 2 dot thing, and you're gonna do this, and you're gonna type it. You're just gonna type in the numbers. I'm not gonna press it just because I want to show you guys. So 192.168.0.167, and then you're gonna put another 2 dot here. You're gonna enter the port, which is -2121 here, and then you're gonna press next. And then I'm not gonna log in as anonymous. We're gonna press the username is 1. So I'm gonna press next. Okay, and then the type, that's the name, network location. We'll press next and finish. It should just appear like a thing here, and then this is all the file here you need. If you need to enter the password in order to do it, because I already did this many times, so it didn't really let me enter the password, but you to enter the password. And here's all the files. You can just like open one, for example this one, and then you were just downloading right here, so you would just wait. And that's basically all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.